Drawing tools let you mark up your charts with lines, shapes, and annotations to highlight key levels and document your analysis. Let's walk through how to access and use these tools. Click the arrow icon at the top of your chart to open the Drawings menu. Under Drawing Tools, you'll see options for lines, shapes, Fibonacci tools, text annotations, and more. If you select a tool from this menu, that tool stays active for all your actions until you change it. To use a drawing tool just once without locking yourself into it, right-click your chart at the location where you want to start your drawing, go to Add a Drawing, and select what you want. The drawing will be placed at the point where you right-clicked. From there you can drag the anchor points to adjust the size, angle, or endpoint. For line-based tools like trend lines or horizontal lines, move your cursor, then click to set your endpoint. For shapes like rectangles, create the shape, then release. Once you've drawn something, you can modify it. Click on the drawing to select it, and you'll see anchor points appear. Drag these to adjust the size, angle, or position. Double-click or right-click any drawing and select Edit Properties to change colors, price values, dates, and other settings. To move a drawing without changing its shape, click where there are no anchor points and drag it to a new location. Your drawings save automatically with your chart. When you close and reopen that chart, your drawings will still be there. However, drawings are tied to the specific symbol. If you switch symbols, you'll need to draw on the new symbol. If you change time frames, drawings display based on their date and time settings. If your time frame doesn't support those settings, the drawing won't appear until you switch to a compatible time frame. To delete a drawing, select it and press Delete, or right-click and select Remove Drawing.